Did you know a fake voice recording helped a serial killer murder more women, while police chased the wrong man for years? From 1975 to 1980, Peter Sutcliffe terrorized northern England. He murdered 13 women and left police with no real leads. Then came the breakthrough they had been waiting for. Audio tapes arrived claiming to be from the killer himself. The voice had a thick Geordie accent from Newcastle. Police were convinced this was their man. They released the tapes to the public, brought in dialect experts, interviewed thousands of Geordie speakers across the region. But there was one massive problem. The tapes were fake. A cruel hoaxer named John Humble had sent them to throw police off the real killer's trail. While investigators focused entirely on finding someone with that specific accent, Sutcliffe kept killing. The elaborate deception worked for years. Sutcliffe was finally caught during a routine traffic stop when officers discovered fake license plates. He was just 2 miles from his next intended victim. The hoax tapes had delayed justice and likely cost additional lives, all because police believed the wrong voice.